wants you to fail. Because the more you fail, the better you're gonna get. Because most people will never take that chance to fail. Because you know what? They're scared. I get scared every time I hit this stage. I get scared every time I gotta go do a bus tour. I get scared every time I have to walk in the office and I make a decision. If I don't do anything and I'm constantly scared, what am I accomplishing? Not a damn thing. Failure's okay. It's fine.
So you know how much I love teaching you, because the work that you do, anything that I give you, you just give out in abundance to everyone around you. And I want to thank you for that. So that's wonderful.
I want you to make sure that you're celebrating this moment of achievement. And never stop, because we have no ceilings here at Pure Romance. There's never a ceiling. Keep going.
National training just fills my tank full. I get so excited. I have such good ideas, and it just makes me go home and just get busy.
My favorite thing about going to national training is just filling my brain, filling my notebook with more information on how to make more money, how to make my parties better. The sexual health information is probably hands down my favorite part.
Now relaxing your mind. Allow your mind to relax. Take a moment now to think of the new and improved you. Your mind will lock on to that idea and move you towards that desired result. 1, charging up. 2, energizing. Feeling refreshed, revived, awakened, aware. 3, filling up with all kinds of self-confidence, self-esteem. 4, eyes sparkling clear as though they were bathed in cool spring water. On the next number I count, eyes open, fully awake, fully aware. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Now with your eyes closed, I want you to look 1 year into the future again and see yourself at this event in 2019. Have you had an amazing year? Is your business beyond your dreams? Are you having more fun, having more parties? Are you having more connection? Is your family closer? Are you enjoying precious woos, precious moments? Do you feel more alive, healthier, more vibrant?
I believe that women can have it all. I believe in you.